Hello and welcome to Learn Oracle Database tutorial series. I'm Ahmed and I'll talk about today in this video about how to connect to database using SQL command prompt. Okay, in the program menu, find Oracle Database 11G Express Edition, and under this you'll find Run SQL command line. Okay, let's open it. Here we go. Now we can connect to the database by using connect now type the username you want to connect to, in our case HR, and press enter. The utility will prompt us to provide password. Okay, and enter. Here we go. Now we are connected to HR user. To further confirm that we are connected to HR user, and here's the list of tables owned by HR user. Okay, now we want to disconnect. Now we are disconnected from Oracle Database 11G Express Edition. Excuse me. Now another way is to connect to the database is connect username / and here you can provide the password if you're not worried about to hide it and quickly want to connect to the database. It's a shortcut, username / and password. Okay, press enter and here we go. We're connected to the database. Check our tables. So here we saw that how to connect to the database using Run SQL command line utility. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.